Hi, welcome back to English 110 Online. This week we're going to have our final core assignment, and our core assignment this week will relate to what we have done before: procedure description and virtual demonstrations. So for this week, I have asked you to review Chapter 7 and 9 if you need to, and also review the Google slide presentation for Chapter 7 and 9 as you need to. And I have put those right here, the Chapter 7 Google slideshow and the Chapter 9 Google slideshow for you to review before you tackle this week's assignment. Core assignment 4, the virtual presentation portfolio, is what we'll be working on this week, and the document is right here under graded assignments. Core assignment 4, procedure description and virtual demonstration. So I've already opened that file up, so let's take a look at it and see what it says to do. All right, of course, it's relying on Chapter 7 and 9 in your textbook for these assignments. What you will be doing this week will be writing an accurate, informative procedure description using parallel structure, just as you have done in your practice assignments before. You'll prepare a Google Slides presentation or a video presentation. So I've given you an opportunity to do both of those in the past, and this week I'm going to let you choose which one you'd rather do. And you want to, as always, apply the rules of standard English to your written and to your virtual visual communication. The procedure requirements, the assigned procedure report, and the assigned virtual presentation. So let's look at the instructions. For this assignment, you will compose an instructional description following guidance from Chapter 7. You'll present your instructions in a virtual presentation following guidelines from Chapter 9. So you're going to do both of those this week. So here is your assignment from page 123 in your text, exercise 7.2. Write instructions and include visuals explaining how to perform a common procedure related to your field of study or employment, for example, welding a lap joint, administering a bed bath, or restraining a particularly or potentially troublesome person. You want to use the checklist for evaluating instructions and procedure descriptions on page 122 to complete exercise 7.2 and submit the saved document on the Turnitin link on the Moodle page. And so back to the Moodle page, here is where you will turn that in. Submit your saved document right here on this link. All right, so the rest of the assignment, scroll down. All right, so then you can either do this. You can create a Google slide presentation to illustrate the procedure description from that same one that you have written and submitted. See the tech tips guidelines for presentations on page 162. And submit your Google slide document on the Turnitin link, and it's that second link down here for virtual presentation. That's the one that you want to submit that on. Or you can do this: create a video in our Facebook group and post it for the group of the procedure that you're completing in this exercise, and use the checklist on page 164 in your text to self-evaluate your video presentation. So you can do either one of those. Nobody has taken me up on using the Facebook presentation application so far, so I'm not sure if anybody will surprise me and use it this time, but you're certainly welcome to do that or prepare a Google slide presentation. Each part of the assignment will receive a maximum of 100 points, so you'll get 100 points for the or a maximum of 100 points for the written procedure with your visuals included, and you will get a maximum of 100 points for your visual presentation, either the virtual presentation on the Facebook or the Google slide presentation here. So in other words, we're doing the same thing that we have done before, but this time it's in as your portfolio. It's something that you can have a choice about. If you want to use the same techniques that you used, or the same demonstration that you used in the course assignment before, you can certainly do that. It doesn't have to be a new one. But this one should be perfected, so you want to go back and see the comments on the other one so that you can make this one your very best effort. Okay, so that is what we're doing this week then. You're going to turn it in the procedure description here on this core assignment 4 procedure description link, and then you're going to do the Google slide presentation here on the virtual presentation, or you're going to create a video and post it in the Facebook group. Either one you want to do for this. Okay, so remember, these assignments count more, so do your very best to get a good grade on this one. Next week, we'll be having our final exam and reflection of the course, and then we'll be finished with our course. So please get these in on time, so that with all the grading that I have to do for my other courses, everybody's turning in final projects and everything now. So be sure you get these in on time so that I can get your final grades done in a timely manner as well. So contact me if you need any help or assistance, and I'll be glad to help you. And I hope you have a great week.